In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and connect the HubSpot plugin in WordPress using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main backend area of your website where you manage settings, content, and tools. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the dashboard and that everything has fully loaded before moving on. Working from the admin area ensures you have access to the plugin settings you'll need for this setup. Next, look over to the left-hand menu in WordPress and find the Plugins section. When you open that area, choose the option to add a new plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools that extend the functionality of your website. If you don't immediately see the search field or the page looks different, just give it a second to load, since some WordPress environments can be a little slower depending on hosting or installed themes. Once you're on the Add New Plugin page, search for the official HubSpot plugin. Make sure you're selecting the Marketplace plugin provided as the official HubSpot integration for WordPress. This is important because you want the trusted version of the tool framework that connects your site with HubSpot features. When you find it, begin the installation to add it to your WordPress build. After installation finishes, activate the plugin so WordPress can start using it. After the plugin is active, watch for the authentication prompt in the WordPress notification area. You'll need to click the verification link provided there. This step is what starts the secure connection between your WordPress site and your HubSpot account. If the notice doesn't appear immediately, give the page a refresh or look for a HubSpot-related prompt in the plugin area, since some dashboards display notifications in slightly different places. When the authentication screen opens, choose the correct company portal instance you want to connect to this website. Selecting the right portal is important because this is what enables the tracking functions and ensures your site data is connected to the intended HubSpot environment. Once that portal is selected, the integration will activate and the tracking features will be linked to your WordPress site. At that point, the basic setup is complete and your WordPress website should now be connected through the official HubSpot plugin in Chrome.